Hello everyone, this is Larry from list-JCMED, and today I am introducing you over one of survival first aid kit. You can add your own logo here, and it has molle system here, and I will show you the inside. This is best company for you to go outside, and I will show you the contents list. And this is the emergency blanket. You can use it in bad weather or fire emergency. And this is isreal bandage, and it's used for stop bleeding from your wounds to emergency situation. You have more designs. You can customize all the bags and contents list. Please follow us for more information. Thank you.